Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Wi-Fi name for Tenda router. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the three lines on the configuration website. You can see the link right here. Then move to wireless settings. And inside you can find your Wi-Fi name and the password. Also make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually enabled. Then we can click on the text pool and change the name. And then go for the security mode. If you want to have password on your router, then you need to choose one of those three options, which is WPA-PSK, WPA2-PSK, or both of them mixed. And I'm gonna go with the first option. And on the bottom now you'll find another text, which is Wi-Fi password, and you can enter your password right here. It needs to have at least 8 digits. And then we can scroll all the way down, click on OK. OK, and now you need to reconnect with your router since it's disconnected because it has your password changed. So we can refresh for the networks. Here's our router. Let's try forgetting it. Now it's a new name. You need to enter a new password, click on connect, and you should be reconnected with your router. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.